here we are at 8H Medical Studio. Believe it or not, we have a lovely little entry area here and a closet. Walk in with washer and dryer. Washer and dryer in here. So that's quite a nice thing to have in a studio. This faces west, so you get a lot of light, afternoon light. We just got through the strongest light coming in through the windows here. We have a lovely kitchen, all modern stainless steel appliances, and believe it or not, we have a Bertozzini range, some Bosch, Samsung, and a dishwasher here, which I'm not sure of which brand it is, but yeah, it's a lovely studio. Got a standard bathroom, all fresh and clean. Living area, and an area for your bed, so it's an alcove type studio. There's another closet here. As you can see, there's a lot of western light coming in now, but you've got a fairly big closet over here. And some cute views. Right off of Broadway, and the river's not too far. You can't really see. You can see New Jersey, but we're off the 79th Street subway stop. Nice. A little bit of street noise only because the window's open, but very bright, as you can see. Clean, spiffy, ready to move into. Call Christopher Butt at the Corcoran Group, 917-721-0202, or you can email me at cbutt@corcoran.com. That's cbutt@corcoran.com.